Got this 154 Cub Lowboy. I had to get running, and the engine cranks and runs great. But didn't have this problem before, but I did notice it was making a noise, and now we have a problem because it will not pull under its own power. Something is going on in the drive line or possibly the clutch. I was told the clutch was replaced a couple of years ago, that they might have lost some shims or something in there, but they made up the space with washers. That's all I know, is what I've been told. I don't know anything about these clutches, but I see the clutches here under the seat rather than right behind the engine. So I want to run it for you so you'll see what's going on, and hopefully you can tell me what it is. So let me take it out of gear. Try reverse. So if you could please help me with that. I don't know where to go. I know I need to take the seat off and the fenders off to be able to access it. This is just preliminary. I just need to know what direction to go and what parts we need to repair and fix. Don't know if there's some bushings in the driveline bad, if the clutch is bad, the pressure plate's bad. What is it? But help me out. Thanks.